Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Command. Hard forks seem to be popping up everywhere these days. So we have gone well past the days of hard forks just in Bitcoin. We're seeing this in Litecoin, many others. And today I'm going to discuss the upcoming hard fork for Monero. So Monero is a privacy cryptocurrency, one of the leaders in the space. There have been some issues with Monero that this new project called MoneroV is trying to address. The primary task that MoneroV is going to address is the fact that there is not a cap to the number of XMR that can be mined. So if we look over here on CoinMarketCap, you can see that the current circulating supply of XMR is just over 15 million. But there's one thing that you will see that is absent from this page on CoinMarketCap, and that is the total supply. That is because there is not a total supply for Monero. So that is the biggest aspect that is introduced on MoneroV, is that this will be a hard fork of XMR and will create a total supply for the new coin, which will be XMV. So this hard fork is planned to happen with an airdrop on March 14th. That is in anticipation of block 1,529,810. So this is the current countdown of when this is expected to happen. We will get into what you need to do to hold your XMR to receive your free MoneroV at the end of this video. So let's first jump into what else is different about XMV compared to XMR. There has to be something here other than just having a hard cap on the number of coins that can be mined. So the central thesis of MoneroV, fulfilling the long overdue desire for a truly anonymous, decentralized, finite, peer-to-peer electronic currency. So they're really focusing on having this cap, but there is another aspect that is being integrated here, and that is scalability. So we're seeing this in pretty much all the big coins at this point, Bitcoin, the Lightning Network, other solutions that are being implemented for other blockchains. So here, scalability on a privacy coin takes a different approach. And so the way that MoneroV is trying to deal with this is to integrate the Mimblewimble protocol. And this will allow for scalability within the network, keeping transaction fees low and efficient. So if we look at the whole roadmap for MoneroV, this upcoming hard fork is planned for March. If you are holding XMR at the time of the hard fork, you will receive 10 XMV for every XMR that you have. So it's going to be this 10-to-1 ratio that will create 158 million XMV at the time of the hard fork. The total cap for XMV will be 256 million. So looking at the rest of the roadmap, this year, really looking for the wallet to come out. There aren't a lot of details on what will be added here. As we go into 2019, this is the end of 2019 is when the scalability solution is planned to be implemented. And then another aspect here is that the proof of work will be changed from the kryptonite algorithm, which is currently used for Monero, to a different algorithm. So far, based on my research, I've not been able to find what algorithm is planned to replace kryptonite, but that will be a difference going forward. If we look at the Monero roadmap in more detail here on the MoneroV roadmap white paper, you can see that these are the key comparisons between MoneroV and Monero. So really the fact that they are doing this 10x coin in circulation, so we'll have 158 compared to the 15.8 that will exist around the time of the hard fork. And so the emission per block will have a slight change as a result of this. We will start at this particular block when the snapshot is taken. Otherwise, the block interval and difficulty adjustment will be exactly the same because the proof of work algorithm will be the same for right now. So largely, the day that this hard fork happens, the only major difference that will occur between the two coins is that there will be a max supply on MoneroV. So it will be interesting to see if there is adoption here, but this does create the possibility of as any hard fork does, of being able to get some free coins. So how do you actually get your MoneroV if you hold Monero? So there is a thread on Bitcoin Talk that gives a little more clarity on what you need to do to be able to receive your XMV. So any wallet that is secure, gives you access to your private key, would be suitable to receive MoneroV. It says that the team is planning to publish guides and tutorials for your retrieval of XMV. Currently, what they are recommending is that you use the Monero GUI wallet. So that is the wallet that you can get from getmonero.org. Just looking over here, the one thing that I would recommend is that you have the latest version of the Monero GUI wallet if this is what you use. So currently that is version 0.11.1 or known as Helium Hydra. And that should be the most straightforward way to be able to receive the airdrop. It also says that you can use My Monero. This is the web version of a Monero wallet. I have seen some information on Twitter that raises some questions about whether or not My Monero will actually support the airdrop. So if you're a user of the web interface on mymonero.com, then I would look into this in more detail to make sure that this will actually be supported. It's also possible that some exchanges will support the hard fork, but at this time, no exchanges have announced that they will support the hard fork, so I would not plan on holding your Monero on an exchange with the anticipation of being able to receive the XMV. So overall, that is what is happening with this hard fork. The information is available here on MoneroV.org. I will link this website in the description below. If there are any other hard forks that you are particularly paying attention to, be sure to leave a note in the comments below so that we can look at those as well. Thanks for watching today. Appreciate everyone who has subscribed to the channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please do so. Give this video a like, and until next time, thanks for watching Crypto Command.